Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate device approval and biometric login in Trust Wallet, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. On the main screen, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. In the settings menu, look for the security option and select it. You will see several security features available to you. Tap on Device Approval to manage your approved devices. Here, you will see a list of devices currently approved for access. To enable device approval, toggle the switch to the on position. Once activated, new devices will require your approval for access. Next, return to the security menu. Look for the biometric login option and select it. You can choose to enable either fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on your device. Toggle the switch next to the chosen biometric option to turn it on. Follow any on-screen prompts to finalize the biometric setup. Ensure that your biometric data is correctly registered with your device. After completing these steps, return to the main screen of the app. You have now successfully activated device approval and biometric login in Trust Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.